This is an absolutely phenomenal bike. I had so much fun coming from the town, through the twisties and down into this seaside area and riding along the coast path. Honestly, it's a super exciting motorcycle to get on and ride. And let me tell you, this is fun. This is real fun. First impressions, knees into the tank holding it, and there's a lovely little groove in the tank that my legs are sitting in. Now remember guys, I'm 6 foot tall and I feel very comfortable, very comfortable. The seat's comfortable, my knees in a very, very comfortable position. The handlebars are just right. It's obviously not too far forward because it's a shorter bike. The engine's purring away nicely. I'm just in third gear, 30 mile an hour, 45, 51, I'm in fourth gear, I'm up at 60, I'm in fifth gear, pretty rapid, nice and smooth. Gear change was slick, really slick. So this is our turn off point. We're going to go and have a little chat about this motorcycle, the Hero Hunk. Strathleen House since 1887. Years ago, back in the Victorian sort of times, this used to be an outdoor swimming pool down here, and people used to come from far and wide to holiday here. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Hero Hunk, the new motorcycle brought out for the UK market by Hero, who are an Indian manufacturing company. Now, I've taken this bike out for the first time today. I've spent an hour on it, and my wife was following me in the car, and as soon as we pulled up, she said, I can tell you enjoyed that bike, and she's absolutely right. I had so much fun bringing this down here to Strathleen, here in the north east coast of Scotland. Absolutely fantastic. I want to say a big thank you to Biking Direct for letting me take the bike out and review it, and also to Hero as well. This is an absolutely phenomenal bike. I had so much fun coming from the town, through the twisties and down into this seaside area and riding along the coast path. I mean, it was absolutely a pleasure to ride. I have so much control on this bike. The gears were super, super smooth. Honestly, it's a super exciting motorcycle to get on and ride. You are going to have so much fun if you have one of these. Wind resistant, there was no wind against me whatsoever. So for a 440cc engine, this was phenomenal what this bike was giving to me. I mean, I didn't need any more. And you know what? With that size engine, you know you're really controlling and riding. You're immersed into that motorcycle. The ride just becomes so much fun. It's unbelievable. You've got 27 bhp and 36 nanometers of torque on this motorcycle. It's a 440cc engine, air oil cooled, has a 6-speed gearbox, and it has a slip assist clutch as well. It has 43mm KYB upside down forks. It has a 13.5 litre tank, which is going to take you over 200 miles per gallon. It has 17-inch wheels front and back. This bike weighs in at 191 kilos, and the height is, well, it's around 803 tall. For me, I don't know, do you think I look too tall on the bike? I don't feel like I am. Obviously I'm well planted, I've got my knee slightly bent, and I honestly had never had a single problem with the position on this motorcycle. It doesn't push you too far forward, a slight little lean into it. Yeah, very happy. The controls are all fairly standard. I didn't have any problems with the indicator switch. The bike, I mean, you could hold this up, you know. For me, That weight is no problem whatsoever. I don't know what it would be like for a pillion. Lizzie, do you want to come and try and get on it? There you go.
Well, that would be comfy.
It's not too bad.
So I feel like I've got enough space on the back. I don't feel too close to you. I do feel I'm close enough, but I've got enough space between the two of us. Got a bar at the back that I can hold on to, so I'd be quietly confident on the back.
Yeah.
Of this bike.
And as the rider, yeah, I feel, well, I don't even notice she's there. You know, feels fine.
But actually, the view as well, I can see pretty well over your shoulders as well, considering you're like 6 foot as well. So
You think you could sit there for a few hours?
yeah, I mean, I've got enough on the seat, and the seat is quite comfortable. Yeah. It's quite a nice padded seat.
There you go.
I'd say it's quite a quality seat.
Actually, I haven't even talked about the seat because I'm actually so comfortable on it. It's fine. Right, okay, let's get you off.
I'm pleasantly surprised about how much you've enjoyed this bike.
Honestly, fun.
The point, it's actually a really stunning looking bike.
Would you consider having this in the garage? Yeah, I would, definitely. I mean, don't forget, over in India, these are everywhere. The people flying around on these motorcycles. They have such a big motorcycle culture over there, and it's really great to see them branching into this market. I'm going to take it back now and spend another hour with this motorcycle, and I think I'm not going to do any commentary because I'm enjoying it so much. I just want to get on with it and ride it. And from the ladies' point of view, what do you think, Lizzie?
I'm wondering whether this could be my next bike. What do you reckon, guys?
What do you think, guys? Put the answer down below. Do you think Lizzie should maybe get one of these?
Should I invest in a hunk?
I think you can do everything on this. I think this would be great round town. This would be great on longer journeys. You've got enough room to put some luggage on the back or even a pillion. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. We're going to head back. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave us a message down below. Tell us what you think about this machine.
Remember, it's never goodbye, it's see you later. And you're always
south of somewhere.